Today let's quickly unlock two of the most powerful tools in automotive quality, PPAP and FMEA. These aren't just buzzwords, they're the backbone of how the world's best car makers and suppliers keep vehicles safe, reliable, and ready for the road. Whether you're new to the industry or a seasoned pro, understanding these tools is essential for anyone serious about automotive quality. If you're a quality engineer, mastering these is non-negotiable. They're the difference between a smooth launch and a recall nightmare, between building trust and losing contracts. First up, PPAP, Production Part Approval Process. This is the gatekeeper for every new part that goes into a car, truck, or SUV. What does it do? It's the industry standard approval process set by AIAG. The rules are strict, but for good reason. They ensure every part meets the highest standards before it ever hits the assembly line. PPAP proves your supplier can reliably meet customer requirements, and it's crucial when you're dealing with new parts, design changes, or shifting production locations. It's not just paperwork, it's your ticket to play in the automotive supply chain. Think of it as the handshake before a long-term partnership. If you can't pass PPAP, you don't get to play. It's the industry's way of saying, prove you're ready or you're out. But PPAP isn't one size fits all. There are 5 submission levels from the lightest touch to the full deep dive. Each level is tailored to the risk and complexity of the part or change. Level 1 is just the PSW, Part Submission Warrant. It's the bare minimum, used when risk is low and trust is high. Level 2 adds in a few samples. This is for when you need a little more proof, but not the whole package. Level 3 is the industry favorite, packing in the PSW and a full set of supporting docs. Level 4, totally custom. It's whatever the customer wants, sometimes a mix of documents, sometimes something unique. Level 5, that's the full audit at your site with everything on the table. Auditors come in, check your process, your paperwork, and your parts. Nothing is left to chance. So what's actually inside a Level 3 PPAP? This is where the real detail lives. You'll see design records, control plans, actual part measurements, and results from materials testing. Every document is there to prove your part is built right every time. In other words, blueprints, plans, numbers, and proof your parts actually work. It's a complete story, from concept to reality, showing you've done your homework. Now let's talk FMEA, Failure Modes and Effects Analysis. This is where you get proactive about quality, not just reactive. This is your predictive risk crystal ball. It's how you spot trouble before it ever happens and make sure your team is ready for anything. With FMEA, you break down each possible way things could fail, rank them by how bad they'd be, how often they could happen, and how easy they are to catch. It's a team effort. Engineers, quality experts, and operators all bring their knowledge to the table. The goal? Find high risks early and fix them before they bite you. It's about prevention, not just correction. There are 2 main flavors of FMEA, each with its own focus and purpose. Design FMEA, which targets the product itself, making sure the part is robust and reliable from the start. And Process FMEA, which zeroes in on your manufacturing process. It's about making sure your process can consistently deliver quality, even when things get tough. Cover both for bulletproof quality. That's how you build cars people trust, and brands that last. But here's the real magic. PPAP and FMEA work best together. They're 2 sides of the same coin. One finds the risks, the other proves you've controlled them. FMEA is your risk detective, uncovering problems and pointing out where you're vulnerable. It's the map that guides your quality journey. PPAP is your proof, showing you've put real controls and fixes in place. It's the evidence that you've done more than just talk about quality, you've delivered it. If you tackle FMEA first and resolve every big risk, your PPAP submission will be smooth, convincing, and audit-ready. You'll impress customers, pass audits, and sleep better at night. Let's not forget RPN, the risk priority number. This is your tool for sorting out what needs attention now and what can wait. This simple formula, severity times occurrence times detection, gives you a number to prioritize what to fix first. The higher the RPN, the more urgent the risk. But here's a pro tip. Any risk with high severity needs action, even if the math says otherwise. Never ignore a risk just because the numbers look okay. So why does all this matter? Because in automotive, quality isn't just a department, it's a culture. It's what separates the best from the rest. Nail PPAP and FMEA, and you'll dodge launch headaches, build trust with OEMs, breeze through audits, and boost your career. You'll be the go-to expert everyone relies on when quality is on the line. Quality isn't just paperwork, it's your reputation on the line. Every signature, every stamp, every document is a promise to your customer. Want to master these skills for real-world results? The best engineers never stop learning, and the industry is always evolving. Check out USQC's quality courses for practical career-boosting training. Thanks for tuning in. Keep building quality and keep driving excellence.